Hi everyone, Mark here at Hyundai here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe XL Preferred all-wheel drive, 7-passenger, 3.5 liter V6, towing capacity. It's got it all, extended wheelbase, room for everybody or anything. We'll show you some of the inside of the vehicle, just do a quick walk around the outside. So if you are couch shopping, you know exactly what you're looking at. Gives you a good idea. We like to be fully transparent when we do these videos and pictures so people know exactly what they're coming in and seeing us if they decide to purchase. So again, the XL has been really popular because you get the extended wheelbase, you get the extra seats, you get some neat features like fog lights, nice gunmetal alloy wheels, meaty tires, you get turn signal indicators on the mirrors, you have proximity key with a push button start. I'll show you the rear hatch first. Power liftgate, with smart liftgate capabilities. So there you go, you got room for 7. These 2 seats fold flat down. You also got some rear air back there, so your rear passengers can adjust their heat or their cooling depending on their preference. Press the button and the power liftgate will fold down. Easy as that. Great if your hands are full of, let's say, hockey bags or groceries, anything like that. Really helpful. These seats also fold flat. They also have child anchors on them as well. So if you have a growing family, this vehicle is capable to help you out. This also folds flat if you want to have some extra cup holders. You've got a little plug-in adapter right there. You got some rear vents on each side right there. You got 2-stage heated seats. You've also got these really nice privacy sunshades that go up. Great in the summertime, keep the heat off your kids or your animals. And again, like I said, push button start. Key just has to be on you. Hit that. I've just locked it. Unlock it once for the driver's door. Unlock it twice for all the doors. Great feature, especially if your hands are full. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. I'll move in. I'll show you some of the interior features real quick. So we'll start it up, push button start. So you've got blind spot detection, you got adaptive cruise control, you've got heated seats, you can lock your 4-wheel drive for those really snowy winter days, which I think we're done with. You can turn your traction control off, you have downhill brake assist, and again, drive mode, because it is electric steering, you can drive it in a couple different methods, really up to your preference, and you can adjust your interior illumination. You also have all your volume controls on your steering wheel, your Bluetooth controls right here and hands-free calling, your information center, which will toggle through some different settings here, which you can adjust to your preference. Here's your cruise controls with your adaptive cruise, so you can set how close or how far you want the adaptive cruise to kick in prior to the vehicle slowing down. You have electric parking brake, you have 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down here. You got dual zone climate control, which is great. If you're like my wife and I, always one's a little bit cooler, one's a little bit hotter. And again, you can turn this on for your rear temperature controls for your rear passengers, air conditioning, front rear defrost. We move up to your infotainment center. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so now you can plug your phone in and have the capability to have navigation, real-time, traffic reports, anything like that through your phone. So really good feature. Found on most of our vehicles now, and you got a nice good sized backup camera. Less than 50,000 kilometers, so more than 50,000 kilometers of full factory warranty. Save thousands off the price of new, guys. It's a great deal. It's a 2019 Santa Fe XL. I didn't even mention it is all-wheel drive. Shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.